My name is Larry Gilligan. I work in the power department of the MBTA. The wire car is essentially preventative maintenance for the MBTA. It goes out every day to prevent trouble. We drive along and we make sure there's nothing hanging down below the catenary that will catch the pantograph. If we don't prevent these things, the wire will come down, they'll shut down the blue line, and you have to run buses. Every day there's something that needs to be adjusted, replaced.
When we take the wire car out, I will be at the front of the train and the crew will be in the rear of the train. So it is my personal responsibility to check for damaged wire, check for broken hangers that holds the wire up, support arms, and feeder cables. Make sure all the wires are in place and everything is connected. The wire car goes out during service. Sometimes during the day, we might have a delay, and they do see the wire car come out to fix the wire to get the system running perfect again. We go out from the Orient yard and we'll cross over down at airport because we can't go into the tunnel. We cross the train back to airport and we'll go back to Wonderland. It's an old vehicle. You have to know how to run it. If you're running down the Beachmont Hill, you have to know how to stop it. Or if you go down towards Wood Island, you go into the tube, it's called. You have to know when to stop, how to stop.
It's actually a beautiful ride going down through Wonderland all the way down to the beach. On nice days, it's beautiful. On cold days, it's pretty tough. But it's very important to us to keep the passengers moving at all times. So that's why we're out here every day, making sure that everything is safe so that the blue line continues to run.